In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Assistant on Android. So just open up your settings and then search for Google Assistant. So this is the easiest way to find that on your Android phone. So in here, select the General under Google Assistant. There you go. So your Google Assistant is on. So to turn that off, just toggle that one. Okay, so it says here that when you turned off your assistant will no longer respond when you say, "Hey Google." Also, assistant features that help with your personal info like ambient mode and a snapshot won't be available. So just click on the turn off icon. And that's it, guys. It's already turned off. So again, if you want to turn it on, just toggle that one and click on the turn on option. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.